Already, this slowdown has cost us tens of thousands of jobs in January, jobs that upgraded classrooms and laboratories in 10,000 schools nationwide, at least 485 in Florida alone, and train an army of teachers in math and science.
The challenges of our time threaten the peace and prosperity of every single nation, and no one nation can meet them alone.
Can confront alone. The United States must lead the way. But our best 8 years later, when I walked in the door, the projected budget deficit for this year alone was $1.3 trillion. We came into office facing a budget deficit of $1.3 trillion for this year alone. And the cost of confronting our economic crisis is high. About recognizing that we, as a people, did not get here by accident or good fortune alone. Many more are struggling to afford health care premiums and house payments, let alone to save for an education or retirement. Over the last 4 years alone, Republicans in the House voted 11 times to continue rewarding corporations that create jobs and profits overseas, a policy that costs taxpayers billions of dollars every year.
So in this time of family and friends and good cheer, let's also be sure to look out for those who are less fortunate, who've hit a run of bad luck or who are hungry and alone this holiday season.
But the truth is, drilling alone is not a real strategy to replace our dependence on foreign oil. That means more vehicles using less oil, and that means jobs. More than 200 new workers at this plant alone. And it can't be the work of government alone. We forged new partnerships with nations around the world to meet the global challenges that no nation can face alone. But money alone won't solve our education problems.
We know these steps taken alone are not going to solve all of our problems, but they will make a difference in the lives of millions of American families struggling to hold on.
Despite some strong headwinds this year, America's economy has now created private sector jobs for the past 21 months in a row. Almost 3 million new jobs in all, more than 500,000 of them in the past 4 months alone. But on Memorial Day, we come together as Americans to let these families and veterans know they are not alone. In Pennsylvania alone, there are 9,000 fewer educators in our schools today than just a year ago. But it's not the medal count alone that inspires us. Most of our athletes